All right, so for you multimedia automation design students, once you open up Photoshop, what we're going to do here, and it doesn't matter what screen you're on if you do it this way, you're going to go to Help, and then Photoshop Tutorials. And then in here, it's going to open up a website. We're going to click on Beginner, and we're going to actually go to the very first one on the list here, Get to Know Photoshop. Now, I'm only using this as an example. You'll be able to access the tutorials in here in the exact same way and go in and just find what you need. For right now, what you're going to need for this is you're going to need the sample files to practice with, which you will download. It's going to come as a zip file. In order to deal with that, after it's downloaded, you're going to have to open it up. You're going to have to right click and do extract all, and go ahead and let them extract in your download folder. That's fine. Shouldn't make any difference. And then in here you can see this is Mac OS, which you're not worried about. But here you've got the images that you will use as you're going through this activity. And then you just follow the steps, and you can watch each of the videos as you go to help you, and you work through, and this is going to teach you some of the basics of working in Photoshop. That should be helpful to you. So get to work.